And let's start with the chapter vectors.
Yes, sir.
You know, students, physical quantity is that quantity which can be measured. Yes or no?
Yes,
Students,
sir.
a physical quantity which requires magnitude and a particular direction when it is expressed are vectors. That means the physical quantity which is having one magnitude as well as direction is known as vector. Yes or no? Students, right? The physical quantity which is having a physical quantity which is having both magnitude and direction, which is having both magnitude and direction, which is having both magnitude and direction is known as vector, students. Is known as vector. For example, right? Displacement, velocity, acceleration, force. सर एग्जाम्पल की बात करें तो example is displacement, velocity, force, acceleration. These are the examples of vectors. I know scalar quantity which is having only magnitude, right? Scalar quantity which is having only magnitude, scalar quantity which is having only magnitude. Friends, like distance, example, if I'll say speed, time, work. There are so many physical quantities with due progress of the chapters we'll be knowing about whether the physical quantity is scalar or vector. Distance, speed, work, energy, time, etc. These are scalar quantities. First, let's understand how to represent a vector. Next, give heading representation of vector. Representation of vector. Let's write two ways of representing vector. Two ways of representing vector. Two ways of representing vector. Friends, one is pictorial representation, right? Pictorial. Pictorial representation. And students, second is mathematical representation. Mathematical representation. First, give heading pictorial representation. Pictorial representation. For example, students, I'm saying, for example, I'm saying a car travels at, right? A car travels at 10 meter per second, 10 meter per second in the direction 30 degree east of north. In the direction 30 degree east of north. फ्रेंड ये जो ईस्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ का मतलब है टुवर्ड्स ईस्ट फ्रॉम नॉर्थ, इसका ये मतलब है कि टुवर्ड्स ईस्ट एंड फ्रॉम नॉर्थ. So that means if I am going to represent it in the direction system, that is north south, I'm this is east, this is west. So student, 30 degree towards north from east, towards east from north. That means this angle is towards east. ये east की तरफ आ रहा है students north से. So that means this angle is 30 degree. Don't make a mistake of taking this one 30, then the numericals will be wrong. So 30 degree east of north का ये मतलब है east के पहले towards जोड़ना है और off की बदले में आपको form जोड़ना है, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन पे ऐसा लिखा रहेगा east of north. That means towards east from north. मैं east की तरफ जा रहा हूँ.
सर मैं अच्छी तरह समझ नहीं पाया सर.
Saying 1 minute. So that means towards east from north. So 30 degree towards north. ये north से east की तरफ जा रहा है, north से. Towards east मतलब क्या है? East की तरफ जा रहा है ना? But कहाँ से जा रहा है? From north ना? So that means it is going towards east from north. कितना एंगल किया है उसने? 30 डिग्री ईस्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ. 30 डिग्री ईस्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ का ये मतलब है कि वो जो बॉडी है वो कौन सा लाइन पे जा रहा है? वो एक ऐसे लाइन पे जा रहा है जो लाइन की 30 डिग्री बना रहा है. किसके साथ? नॉर्थ के साथ. फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टुवर्ड्स ईस्ट. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस. Few more examples let's do. Let I'm writing something here. कुछ भी. Let's represent the pictorial representation को ठीक तरह से समझ लेते हैं. फिर मैंने लिखा स्टूडेंट 60 डिग्री ईस्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ लिखा मैंने. 60 डिग्री ईस्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ. इसका क्या मतलब है स्टूडेंट्स? मैंने बताया ईस्ट से पहले क्या जोड़ना है? टुवर्ड्स.
Towards east from north.
60 degree towards east from north.
From north.
From north. That means if I'll take the system, let this is north, this is south, this is east, this is west. So मुझे east की तरफ आना होगा north से, and now this angle will be how much?
60 degree.
This is the representation, pictorial representation. Again I am writing 30 degree south of east. मैंने लिखा 30 degree south of east. That means 30 degree towards south.
Towards south.
Towards
from
south
east.
from east.
30 degree towards south from east. So अगर हम इसको pictorially represent करें student, just see, it would be like this. मैंने ले लिया north, south, east, west. ये south की तरफ जा रहा है from east और कितना एंगल बनाया है? 30 degree. This is the actual direction of the vector. In all the questions it will be written like this. अगर आपको समझ, you have to represent the, understand the question so that आप direction ठीक तरह से mention कर सकते हो. So next let's next go to mathematical representation of a vector. Mathematical representation of vector. Mathematical representation of vector. Friends, अगर मैं यहाँ पर a vector की बात करूँ, I'll be writing here a vector. So actually it is represented as, I'm writing here a vector. It means vector a means students magnitude of a, and this is the direction theta. This vector, हर वेक्टर पे दो चीज रहता है, हमने बताया था, it is having magnitude as well as direction. So this student a is magnitude of vector. Could write a is magnitude of vector, and theta is students, this theta is direction of vector. This theta is direction of vector. और हम क्या एक्सेप्ट करते हैं? डायरेक्शन ऑफ वेक्टर मतलब क्या करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? तो रेफरेंस लाइन जो है ना, किसी के साथ वो थीटा, दैट एंगल थीटा इज मेड विथ whom with which axis? So that reference line students are reference line. That reference line is nothing but positive x axis. That is positive x axis. That is positive x axis. That means how much angle made by the vector with positive x-axis contra direction पे, anti-clockwise direction पे. That means we could write here that theta is how much angle, आप लिख सकते हो, how much angle the vector has made, how much angle the vector has made, the vector has made with positive x-axis, with positive x-axis, students, in anti-clockwise direction. In anti-clockwise direction. I'm giving example in anti-clockwise direction. Right here. In anti-clockwise direction. In anti-clockwise direction. Students, अगर हम anti-clockwise direction को positive ले रहे हैं तो clockwise direction को negative लेंगे. Let's take few examples so that it will be clarified better. Students, I have represented it positive x-axis and this is positive y-axis. So यहाँ से मान के चलो this is the vector BC. It is making an angle like this 30 degree. But I will not represent 30 degree ना. I will not write that this is 10 meter per second पे जा रहा है कोई object velocity और वो इस तरह 30 degree y के साथ बना के जा रहा है और ये east है और as per our reference this is east and this is north. So if I represent this vector, I will write V is equal to BC vector is equal to मैंने magnitude लिखा, V का magnitude is in mode and this theta. So what I will write? The magnitude is 10, no doubt. But the angle, which angle? Will I take 30? No, I will take how much angle it has made in anti-clockwise ACW, anti-clockwise direction with positive x-axis. So obviously this angle will be 60 degree. To represent the vector mathematically, I have to write 10 60 degree. I have to write 10 60 degree. अगर मैं इसी क्वेश्चन पे आप लोगों को पूछूं कि हाँ ये 10 मीटर पर सेकंड ऐसे जा रहा है, how to represent this vector V? So you'll be writing, sir, V vector is nothing but magnitude of V and angle theta. So sir, magnitude of V तो आपने बता दिया 10 और सर angle made with positive x-axis. तो ये वाला angle सर हम लेंगे
30 degree.
30 degree, sir.
30 degree.
Yes. And if you will be asking about this case, what will be the direction of this vector? So in अगर मैं इस तरह लिखूं, so this angle will be how much, students? Total angle will be how much? 330 ना? This is 330. Yes or no?
Yes.
10 मीटर पर सेकंड पे मान के
Yes, sir.
चलो चल रहा है तो V वेक्टर को अगर मैं रिप्रेजेंट करूं, so I'll write this one 10 angle is 330 degree. बट अगर मैं उसको एंटी क्लॉकवाइज ना लेके अगर मैं ये एंटी क्लॉकवाइज ले अगर मैं क्लॉकवाइज लिखूंगा so the same way we could write this is 10 minus 30 degree. दोनों वेक्टर की रिप्रेजेंटेशन सेम ही है. अगर मैं इस तरफ जा रहा हूँ पॉजिटिव ले रहा हूँ, अगर क्लॉकवाइज जाऊंगा तो क्या लूंगा? नेगेटिव. तो इसलिए मैंने -30 लिखा. उसका मतलब ये समझ लेना कि एक्स एक्सिस से नीचे की तरफ 30 डिग्री आया है. बोथ आर हैविंग सेम रिप्रेजेंटेशन. 10 तो 10 रहा ना बोथ जगह पे. और मैं ये मान लिया कि अगर मैं एंटी क्लॉकवाइज जा रहा हूँ, इफ आई एम गोइंग एंटी क्लॉकवाइज देन आई विल बी टेकिंग पॉजिटिव. अगर मैं क्लॉकवाइज जा रहा हूँ तो आई विल बी टेकिंग नेगेटिव. तो इसलिए 10 330 का मतलब जो है 10 -30 का मतलब भी वही है. सेम वेक्टर, वी आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग द सेम वेक्टर एंड द डायरेक्शन इज सेम. As per types of vector, so say equal vector, right? Equal vectors. Equal vectors.
Hello, sir. Your audio is not clear, sir.
Equal vectors. It's vectors which have equal magnitude. Vectors which have equal magnitude and same direction are called equal vectors. Vectors which have equal magnitude and same direction are called equal vectors. Example, this is vector A and the same direction parallel to this, that is vector B. The magnitude is same, the direction is same, so we can write vector A is equal to vector B. Similarly, students, opposite or negative vectors, right? Opposite or negative vectors. Vectors which have, right, vectors which have equal magnitude, vectors which have equal magnitude but opposite direction, but opposite direction, but opposite direction are called opposite vectors, are called opposite vectors. That means, student, if this is vector A, magnitude is same but the direction is opposite. Anti-parallel is B vector. Student, we could write A vector is equal to negative of B vector. Because if I'm taking this one as positive, so I'll take this as. Student, this is A vector and B vector are opposite vectors. You can say A vector and B vector are opposite vectors. Next, let's go to coplanar vector. Coplanar vectors. That is vectors located in the same plane. Vectors located in the same plane. Vectors located in the same plane are called coplanar vectors. Are called coplanar vectors. ये मतलब है एक प्लेन पे ये जो सरफेस में दिखा रहा हूँ, इस पूरा सरफेस के ऊपर जो वेक्टर लाई करेगा, that is known as coplanar vector. एक ही प्लेन पे जो वेक्टर सारे रहेंगे. Friends, two vectors are always coplanar. कोई भी दो वेक्टर अगर हम बात करेंगे, two vectors are always coplanar. नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स चलते हैं कोलिनियर वेक्टर. नेक्स्ट लेट्स गो टू कोलिनियर वेक्टर. Students, vectors acting along the
Sir,
same
one question. Sir, one question. Sir, how many types of vector?
state, collinear vector. Students, let this is vector A. तो अगर मैं उसका opposite ले लूं, if I'm taking its opposite, minus A. Like that, अगर मैंने इस तरह एक वेक्टर लिया, A वेक्टर, अगर इस तरफ से एक वेक्टर आ रहा है opposite direction, that is also minus A vector. But यहाँ पर A vector plus A vector is equal to क्या हो जाएगा स्टूडेंट्स? A plus of minus A, minus A plus A is equal to 0. फ्रेंड्स, अगर मैं इस तरह ले लिया एक वेक्टर, A वेक्टर ले लिया मैंने और इस तरफ से B वेक्टर ले आया एंड इस तरफ से एक C वेक्टर ले लिया मैंने. ये जो वेक्टर है, दिस इज A वेक्टर और मैं उसी सेम डायरेक्शन पे मैंने ले लिया B वेक्टर और इसी डायरेक्शन पे मैंने C वेक्टर ले लिया. मैं कैसे बता रहा हूँ इस इक्वेशन में C वेक्टर. There's two vectors acting along the same straight line or along parallel straight lines in the same direction or in opposite direction are known as collinear vectors. ठीक है? Two vectors मतलब कुछ भी हो सकता है, ऐसे भी हो सकता है collinear, ऐसे भी हो सकता है, ऐसे भी हो सकता है, ऐसे भी हो सकता है, ऐसे all are collinear vectors. तो फाइनली ओवरऑल ये हम लिख सकते हैं two vectors acting along same straight line, acting along same straight line or along parallel straight lines in the same direction or in opposite direction, right? In the same direction in the same direction, or opposite directions, are called collinear vectors. Are called collinear vectors. So next, write students, co-initial vector. Co-initial vector. Right? Those vectors which have the same initial point. Those vectors which have same initial point. That means students, अगर मैं यहाँ पर आपको बता दूं, let this is a vector, यहीं से शुरू हुआ है, b vector, let this is c vector. Friends, all these vectors are co-initial vectors. We could write a, b, and c are co-initial vectors. Are co-initial vectors. Friends, next चलते हैं unit vectors पे, which is very important. Unit vectors. Unit vectors. Students, unit vector means a vector having unit magnitude. Right? A vector having unit magnitude. Unit मतलब एक. A vector having unit magnitude is called unit vector. It's called unit vector. Students, it is used to specify direction. It is used to specify direction. Students, a unit vector is represented by, लिख सकते हो आप लोग, unit vector is represented by, a unit vector is represented by students a cap. अगर a एक unit vector है, so that we read as a cap or a hat. A cap, cap, or a hat. That means students, that there is a vector a. A is a vector. A is a vector. Students, unit vector in the direction of a. We want to find unit vector. मतलब direction same रहेगा, but vector का magnitude जो है वो 1 हो जाएगा. Unit vector in the direction of a. Unit vector in the direction of a. That means students, a vector की unit vector in the direction of a is let a cap. Okay. That means students, जब हम a vector की बात कर रहे थे तो a vector is what? Sir, एक magnitude था और एक एंगल था थीटा, और मैंने उसकी यूनिट वेक्टर के बारे में आपको निकालने के लिए बोला, तो आप लोग क्या करोगे? सर, आप जो मैग्नीट्यूड है ना उसको आप डिवाइड कर दीजिए. a के साथ अगर मैं a को डिवाइड कर दूं तो 1 हो जाएगा ना, बट थीटा विल रिमेन ना. सो दैट मींस इट इज नथिंग बट a थीटा 1 into थीटा ना. तो मैग्नीट्यूड कितना हो गया? यूनिट हो गया ना स्टूडेंट्स. सो इट्स मैग्नीट्यूड बिकेम 1, that is unit, and angle or direction remains same, theta remains same. So that means students, a cap मतलब unit vector along a is known as a cap, that is equal to vector a के साथ अगर मैं सिर्फ उसकी मैग्नीट्यूड को डिवाइड कर दूं तो मुझे उसकी यूनिट वेक्टर मिल जाएगा. अगर मुझे कोई वेक्टर पता है और मुझे उसकी यूनिट वेक्टर निकालना है, so what I have to do? I have to only divide the vector divided by its magnitude. तो स्टूडेंट यहाँ पर हम लिख सकते हैं जनरलाइज करके, यूनिट वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू वेक्टर, जिस वेक्टर का मुझे यूनिट वेक्टर निकालना है, वेक्टर डिवाइडेड बाय मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द वेक्टर. वेक्टर डिवाइडेड बाय magnitude of vector. Vector divided by magnitude of vector. That means students, अगर मैं यहाँ पर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दूं, so a vector is equal to nothing but magnitude of a. बोर्ड दे सकता हूँ, नहीं तो ओनली ए लिख रहा हूँ, मतलब इट्स मैग्नीट्यूड इनटू ए कैप. करेक्ट. अगर मैं इस तरह भी लिख सकता हूँ, दैट इज ए वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए वेक्टर ओनली मैग्नीट्यूड ए कैप. दैट मींस अगर एक स्केलर क्वांटिटी को कभी-कभी वेक्टर में चेंज करना पड़ सकता है, तो हम उसकी यूनिट वेक्टर को मल्टीप्लाई करके ये एक स्केलर क्वांटिटी हो गया. इट इज हैविंग ओनली मैग्नीट्यूड, नो डायरेक्शन. लेकिन अगर मैं उसका यूनिट वेक्टर उसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, तो ये क्या हो गया?